Hey everybody, it's Julianne from Cary Quilting Company in Cary, North Carolina. Today is Tuesday, May 30th, and today I have lots of new things to share with you. Not fabric yet, but sure can be soon. The first thing is the Symphony Quilt Kit. This is a pre-order, and it comes in two colorways. This is a fun sampler quilt featuring Banyan batiks, available in two colorways, a soft neutral for the contemporary home, and a bright version to make a bold statement. This quilt is suitable for all levels of quilters, from beginners to the experienced. This is by Linda Hahn and Deborah Stanley, and the finished size is about 66 by 78. So I believe these are coming in January. Yep, January 24. So if you're interested in pre-ordering one of these kits, they are available on the website for pre-order now. And if you're watching on YouTube, I will link it right there right now. Next up, we have three new kits in the Sassy Sunflower Kits department. These are really great combinations because you pick the fabric pack that you like, and then you pick the pattern that you like. And I know Sassy is coming out with one new pattern. I'm not sure if we have it yet or not, but there are 8 patterns, and they can all be made with the same amount of fabric that you have in each kit. So you just pick your favorite kit, pick your favorite pattern, and you're on your way with Sassy Sunflower. And I will also link that in today's video because there are so many options with so many patterns to choose from and so many kits to choose from. It's a great grab and go project. Next up, we have some new books in the shop. Just want to preview them real fast for you. This is Love Fat Quarter Quilts. A lot of people love collecting fat quarters, and then they aren't quite sure what to do with it after that. So this is a nice way to showcase fat quarters or to use fat quarters in patterns. Oh, I love that. Look at that. So that one's new. We also have Summer Memories. We have so much beautiful patriotic fabric in this shop right now. That quilt on the front would be beautiful. Look at that one. Love that. So that is also a brand new option for you. Then we have One Block Wonder panel quilts, a great thing for all those panels I've been showing recently. So this actually takes a panel and then chops it and does that One Block Wonder thing that we used to be doing bunches of years ago. Look how fun that is. Look at the outside edges of that. Really, really fun. So that one is also new for you. And then we have Quilts of Praise. So this is all about 3D cross and church blocks. I know our rep that that showed me this one said that one of her shops created new stoles for the minister in their community using these 3D crosses, and how cool it looked, especially, from the main part of the church. So that's what we have in store for you today, literally in store for you. I hope you have a great afternoon. Don't forget, we're always open until 7 on Tuesdays, and we'll be back here with more to share tomorrow. Bye.